Welcome to
Peppa Pig World. My birthday!
my birthday. Yo, what's good? So, extra special tong pasyal namin today kasi it's Ivana's birthday. So, bumiyahe kami dito sa Southampton kasama yung family, of course. And nandito kami ngayon sa Paultons Park or World of Peppa Pig Park. Specially requested yan ng mga anak ko. Ayan, Ivana, are you happy? Kasama pa namin si Sabre. Oh, hi Be. So, samahan nyo kami. Celebrate namin yung birthday ni Ivana. And let's see anong meron sa loob. Peppa Pig. So, we're finally in. At syempre, sa left side, yan, kita nyo naman, meron na kaagad mga panggastos. And ito, welcome to home of Peppa Pig World. Yan. Oh my goodness. What are those? So ayan, meron pala ditong malaking shop. Ito pala yung entrance nila. So this is their entrance. Wow. Medyo nakisama yung panahon, hindi masyadong umuulan. And ang maganda, hindi masyadong malamig ngayong araw. Sakto lang. Tingnan natin ano meron dito. That's Percy. Ayun, ang ganda dito. Nagulat kami. Napakalaki pala na itong park na to. So meron naman siyang mga waypoint kung saan ka pwedeng pumunta. So uunahin namin syempre yung Peppa Pig World. Ayan, so dito tayo sa right side. Ang ganda. Parang ano yun? Kakahuyan feels yung nandito eh, no? Ito Japanese inspired sa kabila, oh. So ang gandang park, sobrang laki. And hindi ako sure kung talaga bang konti lang ang tao, pero dapat madami kasi Sabado ngayon eh. Let's see.
Papa, yeah, the Christmas tree.
Yeah, Christmas tree. So balik kami mamaya pag ando na kami sa Peppa Pig World. That's Peppa! Ayan, nakita na nila si Peppa. So bukod sa Peppa Pig World, dito sa Paultons Park, maraming amusement rides na meron, no? So iba-iba siya na amusement park na pinagsama-sama nila sa isang lugar. So itong pinakadulo is yung Peppa Pig World. Yun yung unang-una naming pupuntahan. Cafeteria.
Hey, Daddy, Peppa.
There's Peppa. And may mga restos din. Of course, fish and chips. As usual. And may mga ice cream shops. Yeah, fish and chips. Yeah. And fish and chips. And meron tayong ice cream shop. And welcome to Peppa Pig's World. Go. You stand here, oh. Stand up here. Who is that?
What are you doing?
Who is that? Let's go. So ito na yung Peppa Pig World, no? Okay, Mrs. na 25 pounds each ang tickets dito, pero okay lang naman. Kasi gusto naman ng mga bata to eh. So yeah, 25 quid. And you're all in. Free pass na siya the whole day. Hanggat bukas. Alright? Hindi na namin inabot yung ano kasi sarado na pala. 12:30. So magbubukas ulit siya ng 2 PM. Babalikan na lang namin mamaya. Who's that? Who's that?
It's just like, you know, we have closed this one, but they'll be back at 2 o'clock if you come back then, alright?
So, papapicture sana kami dyan kaso 2 PM pa ulit. Wow!
Dad,
yeah.
can I stay with you?
Yeah, okay. Whose bus is this?
Madam Gazelle.
Madam Gazelle's bus? Ayun, bus daw ni Madam Gazelle. Hindi ko kilala sino si Madam Gazelle eh. Akala namin wala masyadong tao. Dito pala lahat sa Peppa Pig World. Ang daming tao. Ayan. But wait, we're gonna check out rides. So ayan, meron din silang mga place para magpahinga at kumain. Look at the ducks. Let's go try some rides.
I'm feeling
Yeah, let's go ride that. Oh.
Yung train.
And Daddy Pig's Cafe. So in case magutom kayo, maraming kainan. Saan ang line yan? So, tatry namin tong ride na to. Ayan, oh. Wee! Para naman masulit namin. So, susubukan namin yung rides. Ayan, nakakatuwa, oh. Life size yung mga statwa dito. So, kung Peppa fan yung mga anak nyo, nako. Must visit tong lugar na to. Queen's Kitchen. Nakakatuwa. We're gonna ride. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna ride it. Hindi lang namin mahanap sa yung entrance. So, syempre, of course, sa mga ganitong amusement park, pila to. Dahil pa naman tao, pero okay lang. Worth it yan, sigurado. So, yan yung aming first ride, the Queen's Flying Coach Ride.
everyone is wrapped.
Are you excited? And show.
No? Try natin. Try nga rin natin yung train.
How many? 3 adults, 2 kids. Can we go at the same time? Yeah?
Yeah, you can all go
All
together.
right, perfect.
I can get you all in this one if you just
Let's go. Thank you. Whee! Is it with Tito Be?
everyone, please stay seated throughout the ride.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Welcome to my castle. Thank you, Your Majesty. Would you like a little tour? Please. Then off we go.
Wow.
Ooh, we're very
Queen's Ride.
Majesty.
How is it, ate?
I eat everything.
Hey. Be.
Wave to everyone. Boat ride.
Yan. So, kitang-kita mo pala dito yung buong Peppa Pig World, eh, no? Wow. Ayan, no? Ate. Ate.
Hello. Hello, jumping rabbit.
So, nakakatuwa yung first ride namin, eh, no? Queen's Flying Coach.
Put your hand, Marna.
Ivana, keep your hands inside.
Nice hands inside.
It's not allowed.
Bango naman.
Wow. There's Peppa downstairs.
Yeah.
Where are we going? We're next. So, inikot-ikot lang kami dito sa mga punuan. Pampapresko. Today, kahaya mo na sa bangs.
Visit?